It's a blessing to be here with you another time at Eat Good TV. Today I have a special breakfast for you. I am Jamaican and I'm always making Jamaican breakfast. And Jet is American, so I'm making the American breakfast this morning. I'm making America's best breakfast this morning for Jet. And it's eggs, bacon, and pancake. So first I'm gonna scramble the eggs. We have to take out this white part. In Jamaica they take out the white part.
No, we don't. We do the whole egg.
You do the whole egg?
Yeah.
They don't remove that white part where we call it eye in Jamaica. They just scramble the eggs. Okay?
Yes, the whole egg.
The whole egg, even the white part, they don't take it out, so I'm gonna leave it in. Okay. They just scramble the eggs. And Jet is from Charleston, South Carolina. So we just beat this up, right?
Yeah, we just beat the eggs. Whip it up.
Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Make sure the pot is hot. Let me turn the stove on. Just gonna whip it up. And we're gonna serve it with pancake. The best pancake, and the recipe is on the package of the flour. And Jemima flour, and now it's Milling and Company, so it's on the package. Let me add the pepper and the salt. That's how you do it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me when to stop. That's good enough?
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough salt, man.
That's
it. Okay. And some black pepper.
Yeah.
So there's salt and pepper for the eggs. Okay. So whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Okay. And when your pot is hot, you pour it in. So the pot is hot, so I'm gonna add it to the pot. So just put it in. Just dump it in there. Okay. And what you do now? Just
scramble it.
Scramble it.
Yeah. Just keep turning it.
Just keep turning it.
Yeah.
Do
Get the edges, yeah.
I'll get the edges.
Yeah.
Oh.
Turn it over, keep turning it over.
Okay. Alright. Just keep turning it over. Just move it. Okay. And then when this set, you turn it over again. I'm learning. I am learning. Again.
Keep turning.
Keep turning. Okay.
You're gonna make it fluffy eggs. Get everything, all the eggs.
All the eggs, make it fluffy.
Scrape all of it. You're missing.
We're missing.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, get all those, everything.
Everything.
Scrape everything off.
Scrape everything off. You have to flip it or anything?
Flip it over.
Oh, flip it over. Okay.
Flip it.
Flip it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's
now get out everything, every strand.
Every strand. Okay.
Yeah.
Every strand.
Off the side.
Off the side. I'm learning. Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's pretty good for the first time,
but I tell you what's to do it. If you have done it, then it will be nice and fluffy. Because you make it more fluffy. You see? I know about ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling. Yeah. But this is nice. Ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, that's what I know about. Okay.
But it's like semi-fluffy.
It's semi-fluffy.
Yeah.
But I tell you what's to make it, because you make it so nice. You want to hold camera. Okay. So we have our eggs ready. He make it very fluffy when he make it. So I'm gonna place my cut the bacon, just put it right in there. Check, don't eat pork, but that's it. Put it in there. And you can use turkey bacon too, you know. This is the American breakfast. And this will be like our ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll have like grits, bacon, and eggs.
When I'm
Grits, bacon, and eggs.
yeah. When I'm down south they give me grits and shrimp and grits. I like it.
Yeah, shrimp and grits is famous.
I live in South Carolina for 5 years. Yeah. Yeah,
And we'll have maybe a toast bread with butter.
Yeah.
We'll have that and maybe a cup of coffee.
Right. Our Sunday morning breakfast in Jamaica is fried dumpling, ackee and saltfish. And I love, my favorite dish is the ackee. Ackee is Jamaican national dish. And my favorite dish is the ackee. That's my favorite dish.
Covered breadfruit. You have breadfruit.
Oh yes, and fried breadfruit Sunday morning too, yeah. Yeah, fried breadfruit. I like the bacon very crispy with all the oil gone out of it. That's why I like my bacon. All the oil burn out of the bacon.
Well, I think the Jamaican got a better breakfast.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, don't say that.
The good thing about the American breakfast is the egg. The egg is very good for you.
Healthy, right?
Yeah.
And even the shrimp, you don't eat shrimp because
It's a crustacean.
yeah. Stop talking about that.
Yeah, I don't eat the crustacean.
Yeah, but
So-called cleanup crew.
that's okay. That's your opinion. Yes. Sunday worshiper eat shrimp.
Okay.
Sabbath and your Church of God on Saturday. They don't eat shrimp.
Crab.
Right.
All lobster.
They don't eat. But Sunday worshiper they eat. You know, you grow up see your family eating it, so that's why you eat it, you know.
Yeah.
I think if you grow up and see your family eating lizard, you'd eat lizard, yeah. Yeah. That's how it is. Whatever you see, if they eat rat, you're gonna eat rat. And in Jamaica years ago, they eat rat for whooping cough. They serve rat soup for whooping cough. Yeah,
That's the worst thing.
that's right. I remember years ago they had rat soup for I think it was for whooping cough. So I'm telling you.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yes, I think rat soup for whooping cough.
Wow.
Unless I don't remember, but I was young and I know they used to serve something for whooping cough. And I think it was rat soup. I think so. I'm not sure. Anybody know, just leave it in the comment. I think they used to do that. Some kind of rat soup, I think, for whooping cough. Back in the olden days. Not might be in my mother time, but in the olden days, I think they used to do rat soup for whooping cough.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah. I just rest it on the side over here. Because I'm going to serve it on a little plate, platter. I'm going to serve it on a little platter, so I just put it right here. Yeah.
The eggs don't look too bad.
Alright, I try. But you know, you make it the best.
Look alright.
But you want to hold camera, that's alright. And then I'm going to clean this and I'm going to make me some Aunt Jemima Milling and Company. I'm going to make they have it on the package too. Pancakes. And the recipe is right on the package. And the flour package. So I'm going to make that.
Right.
This is Aunt Jemima flour. This is the old Aunt Jemima flour. But now a new company take it over. It's Pearl Milling and Company. And I'm using this flour for many years to bake because I'm a baker and I'm a cake decorator. So I'm using this flour for many years. So I just want to bring this flour to show you. It's a very, very good flour. And the recipes are on the back of the flour. And I've used every recipe. Cinnamon apple cake coffee. Cinnamon apple coffee cake. And this one is the self-rising pancake I'm doing today. And the chicken gravy is very delicious. And the southern crispy fried chicken is very, very good. Very delicious. Southern style crispy Southern style chicken. Very, very good. So we need 2 eggs, we need milk, and we need flour. So I'm gonna do the 2 eggs, and you're gonna whisk the eggs. So I'm gonna whisk the eggs. And it calls for the recipe calls for regular milk, but I'm just gonna put some almond milk. And then I just pour the flour in. I said 2 cups of flour, but I don't think we have 2 cups here. So I'm just using what I have. When my children were small, they loved this pancake and waffle. I make everything from Aunt Jemima flour. So it's mixed. It called for vegetable oil, but I'm putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When you see your pancake, the bubble coming up, just flip it over. That means it's ready to flip. Like this one is ready. Just flip it over. So there is no more bubble coming up on this one, then you flip it. Once there is no more bubble coming up, just flip it. There you have it, your American breakfast. Let me show you how fluffy the pancake is. The children will love it. Let me break it and show you how fluffy it is. Very, very fluffy. You see how fluffy the inside is? Very fluffy. Your children will love it. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.